Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove an admin from a Google Ads account. To begin, open Google Ads and make sure you are signed into the correct account. This is important because access settings are tied to each individual Google Ads account, so you'll want to confirm you're working in the right place before making any changes. Once you're inside the account dashboard, take a moment to orient yourself with the menu and account controls. Next, click on Admin. This will take you to the area where account level settings and user permissions can be managed. If your layout looks a little different, that's normal, since Google occasionally updates its interface. The key is to look for the section related to administrative controls or user management. From there, click on Access and Security. This is the section where Google Ads lists the people who currently have access to the account, along with their permission levels. Here you can review who has admin access and determine which user you want to remove. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to double check that you're selecting the correct person, especially if there are multiple users with similar roles. Once you're in the user access list, scroll to the side if needed to locate the Remove Access option. In some views, this action may not be immediately visible, especially if the table extends horizontally. If you don't see it right away, move across the row for the user you want to update until the removal option appears. When you find it, click Remove Access. Before doing this, make sure the access for that user is set to expire if that is required in your view before removal can be completed. This is an important detail because depending on the account setup or interface state, you may need to confirm that the user's access period has ended or is eligible to be removed. After selecting the option, follow any confirmation prompt that appears so the change is applied successfully. Once completed, the admin will no longer have access to the Google Ads account. It's a good idea to quickly review the user list afterward to confirm the change has taken effect. This helps ensure the account remains secure and only the appropriate people retain access. And that's how to remove an admin from a Google Ads account.